This is our current situation. As you can see, this thing's all rotted out. Needs to be replaced. You can see the water dripping out of the back where it's sealed. And it's just totally corroded. It's already rotted a hole through it. So we're gonna change that, and then we're gonna change that baby out. Maybe we'll get this thing too. So this is a Mullen, and I gotta fix that, change that cartridge. All right, so there's two ways this is gonna come off. One is with an Allen wrench where I loosen a screw or a screwdriver, and the other is just to grab it and twist it. But you know, if you do that and it's locked in with that thing, you can end up screwing up your pipe. So I got to be careful. And I'm going to try first. I'm going to drill out this hole and see if I can find the spot where I'm supposed to be unscrewing the screw or using an Allen wrench to unlock it so I can pull it off of the stubbed out pipe. So we're going to try that. I'm going to get the drill on it and just go ahead and just drill a bigger hole so I can look inside there. So as I said, I'm not quite sure if there's a screw in there that I got to pop off or what. So I'm just going to tear this thing out. It's so corroded. I'm just pulling the pieces off of it, and I'm going to see how this thing's on there. And I think that if there's not some kind of locking screw in there, then all I have to really do is just twist this righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to get it off. And it should be on a 1/2-inch pipe on the inside there. But like I said, I won't know until I remove some of this rotting, corroded metal. As you can see, it's just breaking off like in chunks. So hopefully we'll figure this out in a couple seconds. You can see how gross that is. I'm going to use these channel locks. And you know what? Son of a gun, it's turning. So now all I got to do is just loosen it up a little bit. Bam. I don't even want to touch the thing. It's so gross. So I'm just going to spin it off of there. Bam, it's done. Now I got to clean that mess up. Look at that stuff. That's 40 years worth of gunk on there. Yuck, gross. As you can see, I've got quite the cleanup job here. And I got to get that plumber's tape off of there and get all that corroded gook off of the pipe. And hopefully then we can go ahead and put our new spout on there. All right, so anyway, I'm not going to bore you with me cleaning it. I used some bleach to kill all of the mold and stuff that was on there. I still need to get that plumber's tape off there. And as you can see, it's just a drip, drip, drip. And that drip over the years corroded the hell out of that thing. So I got to clean the end of this pipe a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of steel wool, and then I think I'm probably going to end up having to use a wire brush on this bad boy because you really got to get it all cleaned up so it threads properly and scrub the hell out of it to get that old plumber's tape off, and I got to put some new plumber's tape on afterwards. So you can see it's coming off. And we're just going to kind of put it right around this because we want to have a good seal, right? And supposedly that's what this does. And we're just going to wind her around right like that. And then pull it, pop it, ready to go. All right, here we go. Let's see how she works. All the way in there. And all you got to do really is just got to thread it. Just got to get in there. Get her threaded. Oh shit, yeah. This is it. Bam. Daddy did it. That's how you put a spigot on. Looks perfect. I like it. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel because I've got all kinds of plumbing videos. I don't even know what I'm doing. All right, peace out.